These little smart plugs are great for automating things around your home. Using this lamp, I'm going to show you how to set one up. First of all, connect your appliance into the plug. Next up, download and open the KASA app on your smartphone. Once you've logged in, click on the plus symbol at the top of your screen. Choose Smart Plug, and if the light is amber and green, click Next. For iOS users, go into Settings and click Wi-Fi. Choose the network name of the smart plug, and once connected, return to the KASA app. For Android users, this step is automatic. Give your smart plug a name. Choose an icon and click Next. Wait while your smart plug configures. Now test that your smart plug is working. It's pretty easy to install, and now you can turn anything on or off from your phone.